Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Apologize, haven't been getting a bunch of content out there recently, but I wanted to show you a little bit reason why and what we're working on. Big project here, so these kind of the future we think of the Let's Get Dirty Garage family, if you will. So we had a house next to us a couple years ago, burned down, and we decided we would buy the lot and kind of combine everything into one. So what we're doing right now is actually prepping the site for a pole barn build, which will be kind of our shop area and so on. So this is what I've been working on the last couple of weeks, and been doing some traveling. Got to do a little bit more of that up and coming, but I'm going to be putting in a 40 by 72 barn. Give us some more room, some elbow room to work. And lucky enough that the site and so on was fairly clean and level, so I've been working on getting that graded out. Had to actually go and reran like septic lines and so on, because it's got an existing septic field and well. So buried, did all the underground utilities, so got to spend some quality time with one of the toys over there and playing underground construction. But got the septic and water run from the well over, and also electrical lines buried and ready to go into the next building here. But that's what we've been working on, trying to get site ready and graded and prepared, and within we got all the permits and everything accomplished. And so next step is actually getting holes knocked in the ground and working on putting up posts and all that fun stuff. So that's what we've been working on. There's been a lot of work there. Haven't got to the Elko much, so but promise we'll get back to that real quick. Just got to get this accomplished and a few other things as we go along. But we'll get to working on all the projects around here. Just wanted to kind of give you an update, let you know what was happening, and keep you at least informed. So anyways, appreciate all you guys, and just a quick video here, but thanks for watching again, and we'll talk to you real soon. Take care.